Copywriting. Do you have an eye for detail, an ear for language, and a passion for words? If so, copywriting may be the career for you. Copywriting is a field that combines creative writing with technical marketing and business principles. To become a successful copywriter, it's important to master the fundamentals of persuasive writing, the needs and interests of your clients and audiences, and the best approaches to craft compelling copy. Ready to get started? Here are a few tips on how to become a successful copywriter. 1. Understand your readers' needs and interests. A successful copywriter should understand the needs, motivations, and interests of their readers. Therefore, try to discern the demographic profile of the target audience, their goals and objectives, the context they may be reading in, and their values, beliefs, and opinions. 2. Focus on your style, techniques, and grammar. Once you know the needs and interests of your audience, you can use your writing techniques and style to express yourself in the most effective way. Pay special attention to grammar, punctuation, sentence and paragraph structure, and other elements of writing. Develop your own unique voice, and be just as confident writing blogs as drafting email and sales copy. 3. Develop effective persuasive writing skills. Copywriters rely on persuasive writing skills to maximize the impact of their writing. Learn the power of persuasive words and use them wisely. Also, try to create compelling headlines that both capture the viewer's attention and describe what you offer. 4. Network and build your portfolio. Building relationships with clients, colleagues, and other professionals in the industry is key to success as a copywriter. Use the power of networking to help you gain freelance work and build your portfolio. Learn to use and leverage social media such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. 5. Take advantage of digital marketing. As a copywriter, digital marketing and content marketing are essential skill sets. Learn to use search engine optimization, SEO, analytics, and other digital marketing tactics to improve the visibility of your clients' content and successfully target their audiences. If you have a knack for creative writing, an appreciation for marketing, and a passion for words, copywriting could be the career for you. Success in the industry starts with understanding your readers' needs and interests. Perfecting your writing skills, networking, and leveraging digital marketing tactics. Best of luck.